was
not
third
believe
on
it.
Mathili.
Oh
I
no.
can't believe this is shameful.
It looks like Vishal has married me.
बोलना चाहिए
Okay.
था ना,
नहीं
माइनस
नहीं
होता था.
अरे नहीं भाई.
छोटा चेतन.
Sriti, just buzz faster. I will not get negatives.
Okay, hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Buzzing with Quizzing. Thank you so much, love, for this series. Always, always, always grateful. And thank you for all the love for anyone can quiz. Please watch if you haven't. And everything else that we do on this channel. We have an amazing panel waiting for this quiz to start with a debutant. Somebody is coming to quizzing for the first time ever, and two veterans call themselves each other's arch rivals and nemesis, like Daryl Cullinan and Shane Warne. Give it up for Anirban Das Gupta first. Anirban.
Hello. Listen, in this Daryl Cullinan versus Shane Warne, I am Daryl Cullinan.
Anirban, I just want to tell you that I think that's the only sports reference of this quiz.
Oh no, man, I'm going. Yeah.
Okay, Anirban, are you excited for a no sports quiz?
Yes, I have to say this.
Okay, man, Anirban, always a pleasure to have you. I was recently doing a meetup with this channel's members, and it was an overwhelming, you'll be very happy to know that overwhelming majority of our members told me that please call Anirban no matter what the panel is.
Oh my God.
That popular in the buzzing audience,
अरे
because
lovely.
people say please keep changing, bring in new faces, etc., etc.
हाँ,
But the
हाँ,
audience saying Anirban ko please constant rakho. If you want to change, other things change.
अरे मेरे
Yeah.
को पता है क्या होता है, बहुत सारे शोज के बाद लोग आके बोलते हैं कि हम आपका क्विजिंग का फैन है मेरा शो देखने के बाद.
Crazy, man. Crazy, crazy.
So
Okay. On
nice.
that note, somebody making her debut on quizzing. She's been a quizzing enthusiast for many years. Like she's been a big supporter of this channel, and she's finally here as a contestant. Contestant, give it up for Sriti Shah. Sriti.
Hi.
Hello.
Oh God.
Sriti, how does it feel to make
How
your debut?
I got so nervous at Anirban's introduction because I did not get the joke. I'm like, who are these rivals?
Yeah, yeah. But like I said, that was the only sports reference in this episode,
Chalo.
if that helps. So
Yeah.
Sriti, you've seen quizzing for so long, but buzzer
Hmm.
any anxiety, nervous?
Oh, any? I'm only anxious. I'm scared of the buzz. I'm scared of everything. I'm
Yeah,
ready to answer questions for fun later,
yeah,
probably.
cool. Okay, on that note, the Shane Warne to this Daryl Cullinan, the
Woohoo!
Kane to this Undertaker.
Woohoo!
Give it up for Vishal.
मैं शीन वॉर्न नहीं हूँ. मैं वो दूसरा लेगी कौन सा था? आई एम ट्राइंग टू
Stuart
रिमेम्बर
McGill.
McGill, Stuart
McGill.
McGill.
Yeah.
Stuart McGill. Vishal, how does it feel to be back with Anirban?
Yeah, it's same old.
Dude, पहला ग्रैंड टूर्नामेंट का सेमीफाइनल से ये चल रहा है, ठीक है, लाइक सबसे
Oh
स्क्वीजिंग स्टार्ट
God.
हुआ है.
Wow.
I'm not scared at all, guys. ये क्या सेमीफाइनल वाइनल की क्या बात
नहीं
है?
ये तो सिर्फ विशाल, तू मेरे से मत, कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं है.
नहीं, मेरे भी कुछ नहीं है स्ट्रेस.
मैंने देखा है. I'm not like new to.
मेरे किसी दिन रिफ्लेक्सेस धीरे होते हैं, तो कोई भी नहीं हो पाएगा मेरे से बज.
आई होप
तो
तू अभी फुल थोड़ा राइस वाइस खा के बैठा है उधर.
राइस नहीं खाता मैं. मेरी वाइफ बंगाली है, वो खाती है सारे राइस.
Oh man.
हाँ.
Okay, guys. Okay.
क्योंकि my audio is
Good.
coming, no?
Perfect. Everything perfect. Audio, video. Let's start the first board of this episode. There are 5
Okay.
categories. As always, let me explain the categories to you guys. First category is called Lal Baksha Raja.
Okay.
Because quiz was being made when Ganpati celebrations were on. But Lal Baksha Raja, basically every answer will have the word red in it. Okay, the English word
Oh,
red
Lal.
will be a part of every answer. Red. Okay. Second category is called scrambled heads. Basically, these are anagrams of heads of government from different countries right now. Current heads of states. There'll be hint. There'll be an anagram. You just have to guess the person, the head of state that we are talking about. Third category is called Jhanas. which is, of course, an Anil Kapoor category. All questions in this category are about Anil Kapoor. Okay. Fourth category is called Indo-Lingo. These are all languages of India. Okay. But an extra clue for all of you is that these are not the top most spoken languages. Don't think of like Hindi, Punjabi, Bangla, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu.
Okay.
Okay. And the last category is called self-portraits. These are all self-portraits by famous artists. We've given hints for the artist. We've also given you the self-portrait. You just have to guess the artist. Okay. Okay. As the debutant, we give you the privilege, Sriti, to pick the first category and first question.
Self-portrait 30.
Self-portrait 30. Let's go. Her first large-scale work and considered one of her most notable paintings, it is a double self-portrait depicting two versions of this Mexican artist. Sriti.
Frida Kahlo.
Frida Kahlo, yes, plus 30 to Sriti. And we reset the buzzer. It is Frida Kahlo. Okay, Sriti, you still have the control.
Self-portrait 20.
Self-portrait 20. A 1907 self-portrait by this Spanish painter, founder of the Cubist movement. He is considered one of the most influential artists of the 20th century. Vishal.
Picasso.
Pablo Picasso, yes. Plus 20 to Vishal. It is Pablo Picasso. Sriti also buzzed. Vishal was faster. Pablo Picasso. Vishal.
Lal Bagh 10.
Lal Bagh Cha Raja 10. Okay, every answer will have the word red. What many Indian kitchens call chai before they even boil water. Brook Bond's classic. Anirban.
Red label.
Red label, yes.
Okay.
Anirban aptly answering red label. Okay, Vishal and Sriti also buzzed in that order, but Anirban was faster. Anirban gets plus 10. Control now moves to Anirban.
Scrambled heads 20.
Scrambled heads 20. From roadside tea to world stages, he's not just a random diner. Anirban.
Narendra Modi.
Yes, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is correct. Plus 20 to Anirban, and Vishal also buzzed. So that is the anagram at the end. A random diner
Got
is
it.
Narendra Modi. Okay.
Hmm.
Cool. Anirban, you still have the control.
Okay, scrambled heads for 30.
Scrambled heads for 30. Let's go. Long-time headline dominating Middle Eastern leader. He's the kind of politician who makes people whisper strategy and plots. If you were to subtitle his latest drama, it'll probably be Hi, Nab an Enemy Junta or Janta. Vishal.
Benjamin Netanyahu.
Benjamin
Netanyahu.
Netanyahu. That is correct. Vishal gets कितने का था ये? हाँ, Vishal gets 30 points for this. Okay, 30, 30, 30 to Vishal. Anirban also buzzed. Vishal was faster. Benjamin Netanyahu. Okay, Vishal.
Lal Bagh 20.
Lal Bagh Cha Raja 20. Westeros RSVP regrets only forever. The event where they forgot the band and brought crossbows. Vishal.
Red Wedding.
Red Wedding. That is correct. Red Wedding plus 20 to Vishal. Sriti and Anirban also buzzed in that order. It is the Red Wedding. Okay, Vishal, where do we go now?
Lal Bagh 30.
Lal Bagh Cha Raja 30. The cutest Firefox brand mascot. Okay, so brand mascot for Firefox. If you remember the logo of Firefox. Sriti.
I think it's a wrong answer. Is it the wolf from the Red Riding Hood?
No.
Oh.
Minus
That
minus 30 to Sriti. Minus 30 to Sriti. Anybody
zero.
else buzzing? Okay. We'll close. Anybody wants to guess for fun?
I should have guessed for fun. Such an idiot.
Red-nosed reindeer.
Red fox.
No, red panda. Okay.
Red panda.
Red
Okay.
panda. Okay, red panda. Red panda. But minus 30 to Sriti, but long way to go. Vishal, you still have the control of the board.
Red Lal Bagh 40.
Lal Bagh Cha Raja 40. Mao's quotable carry on, the pocket anthology that was both syllabus and symbol. Vishal.
That Lal.
Uh,
Vishal.
r- Red something. No. Pass.
Oh, shit. Okay. Minus 40 to Vishal. Minus 40. Quickly checking if somebody wants to guess. Anirban, Sriti. Okay, we'll close. Anybody wants to guess for fun?
हिंदी में उसी को लाल किताब बोलते हैं क्या?
हाँ हाँ. तो
Red book.
हाँ, Red Book or Little Red Book.
Oh,
Little Red
Little
Book.
Red Book. Yeah.
Oh.
अरे यार,
I
Red
said
Book.
lal and then I was like, no, shut up. Because I have a habit of watching this on TV. तो मैं बता रहा लाल
Lal Kitab, yes, the Little
लाल किताब.
Red Book. Okay, nobody gets anything. Minus 40 to Vishal, but Vishal, you still have the control.
Lal Bagh for 50.
Lal Bagh Raja finishing off the category. The fedora wearing open source company that turned Linux into enterprise chic. Okay, if you remember Linux days, fedora wearing open source company.
Oh God, I'll guess it, but
Okay, Vishal is buzzed.
is it Red Hat?
It is Red Hat. Well spotted.
Oh.
Also, Fedora was a big clue. Red Hat Linux. Yes, Red Hat. And Vishal gets 50, makes up for the minus 40 for Red Book. Plus 50 to Vishal. Okay, Vishal, where do we go now?
Scrambled 40.
Scrambled heads for 40. Her country's first woman supremo. Think of a leader who folds politics into surprising new shapes. Part populist parade, part disciplined movement. If her supporters were a paper army, she'd call them the Origami Legion. Vishal.
Giorgia Meloni.
Georgia Meloni. That is
अरे
correct.
यार इसका नाम ही याद नहीं आ रहा था.
First से याद आएगा.
Origami Legion is an anagram for Giorgia Meloni. Nice. Nice. Okay. Vishal.
Scrambled 50.
Scrambled heads for 50. This leader is basically living his own art house film, fell in love with his teacher, married her, now runs a country famous for love and strikes. A romance, Un Mal Men. Okay, country famous for love and strikes. This guy fell in love with his teacher. Anirban.
Macron.
Macron.
Emmanuel.
Macron. I'll give it to you. Emmanuel
Oh.
Macron. Emmanuel Macron. The French leader married his teacher and country famous for love and strikes. Emmanuel Macron. Plus 50 to Anirban. And we go wherever Anirban takes us. Anirban?
Languages. Languages that don't cause riots.
Cute language.
Cute
Indo-
languages.
Cute languages. Peaceful. Yeah, Indo-lingo for 20.
Okay, Indo-lingo for 20. Native to northern Bihar and adjoining parts of Nepal, the language has produced famous literary figures such as the medieval poet Vidyapati and comes from the region Raja Janak and Sita belonged to. Anirban.
Oh shit. Bhojpuri.
Not
Oh
Bhojpuri.
no.
Minus 20 to Anirban. Vishal has also buzzed. Vishal.
Maithili.
Mathili. That is
Maithili,
correct.
Maithili,
Plus
अरे
20.
यार.
Plus 20 to Vishal. Can't
Which
believe.
is my mother
Yeah,
tongue.
I was about to say. Kriti was
Can't
third on
believe it.
Mathili.
Oh no.
I can't believe this is shameful.
Oh man, yes. Kriti also buzzed, but Vishal and Anirban were faster on Mathili. Okay, Mathili, Mithila. Okay, plus 20 to Vishal. And Vishal,
Scrambled 10.
let's finish off scrambled heads for 10. He's out to disregard completely his large neighboring country and its leader, making them go, I am valid. Turnip. Anirban.
इससे भी जल्दी.
Anirban.
Donald Trump.
Not Donald Trump.
Oh shit. Oh
Minus
shit.
10 to Anirban.
I also thought.
Going to
Oh.
Vishal.
Oh damn.
Well, he's
I also
out of
thought it will be
disregard.
Donald
हाँ,
Trump,
I
yeah.
also thought.
No.
But it is Putin. Vladimir
Oh,
Putin.
Putin.
Yes, Vladimir Putin. I'll give it
Oh,
to you,
shit.
Vishal. Plus
हाँ.
10 to plus
Oh,
10 to
no.
Vishal. Vladimir Putin and not Donald Trump because V was a big clue. There's no V in Donald Trump. I'm valid turnip with Vladimir Putin. Okay, both these categories done. Vishal, where do we go now?
Indo-lingo 30.
Indo-lingo for 30. Spoken mainly in the Dugar/Jammu region and also some parts of Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. It is a scheduled Indian language and produced modern writers like Sahitya Akademi awardee Padma Sachdev. Sriti.
Is it Dogri?
It is Dogri, yes. plus 30 to Sriti, making up for Mathili with Dogri. It is Dogri.
Also making up for my lost 30.
Yes.
Remember, guys,
Yes.
long time ago.
Yes, Red Panda. Dogri, yes, Dogri spoken in Jammu, Dogra dynasty, Dogra kingdom, Dogri. Okay, Sriti,
Indolingo 10.
Indo-Lingo for 10. Okay. Spoken in Dakshin Kannada and Udupi districts of coastal Karnataka and northern Kasargod in Kerala. Aishwarya Rai, Shilpa Shetty, and Rashmika Mandana are all native speakers of this language. Vishal,
God damn it. Malayali.
no, no, minus 10 to Vishal. We'll go to Anirban.
Arey yaar. Is it? I don't know whether it's a language, but I'll just say it. Is it Udupi?
No, no.
Okay, okay. Thank you,
Min-
thank you.
minus 10 to Anirban. Priti has also burst. Priti.
Tulu.
Tulu.
Arey yaar.
Tulu, yes.
Oh my God.
Tulu,
Oh no,
Tulu,
disaster.
Thank you, guys.
No worries.
I require
Tulu.
you to buzz more like this, please. I encourage this behavior.
Oh no.
Tulu, Tulu, Tulu plus 10 to Sriti. Okay, Sriti, where do we go now?
Jhakas 20.
Okay, Jhakas for 20. When he wasn't yelling Jhakas, he was yelling Jack Bauer, bringing American counter-terrorism drama to Indian TV in this Desi adaptation. Anirban,
24.
24, yes. Plus 20 to Anirban. Vishal and Sriti also buzzed in that order. 24. Okay, Anirban.
Oh, Jhakas for 30.
Chakas for 30. This got him a national award. Anil Kapoor in uniform, flying fighter jets, and yes, Madhuri and Prabhudeva were there too. Vishal.
Shri 420.
No.
Oh no.
Minus,
No.
minus 30 to Vishal. Anirban has also buzzed. Anirban.
Pukar.
Pukar, yes.
Oh my God.
Pukar plus 30 to
What was I
Anirban.
trying to say? Mr. India I was trying to say.
Oh.
वो भी गलत ही था बट मैं सोच रहा हूँ बोलना क्या था
मुझे लगा यार ये तो राज कपूर श्री 400
Yeah. After saying I realized oh, ये क्या
मुझे
है?
लगा
अनिल
नहीं
कपूर.
मैं ही गलत समझ रही होंगी must be some indie film that I didn't know about.
Oh, this is Pukar, Anil Kapoor, National Award, and Prabhudeva and Madhuri were in a song together. Sriti also buzzed. Anirban was faster. Okay, Anirban, where do we go now?
Jhakas for 40.
Jhakas for 40. Vivek Agnihotri at the helm, Irfan Khan, Arshad Varsi, and host of other notable names alongside him, all put together, couldn't save this questionable attempt at a Hollywood cult from drowning. Anirban,
Chocolate.
chocolate, yes.
Oh.
Ah,
Well done, well done, well done. 40 points there to Anirban. Crucial 40 points. Sriti also buzzed. Anirban was faster. Chocolate. Halka, halka sa ye nasha. Okay. Anirban.
Jhakas for 50.
Jhakas for 50. A father-son Bollywood epic starring Amitabh and Dilip Kumar, where Anil Kapoor sneaks in for a quick cameo as Amitabh's son. Sriti.
this is probably the wrong answer and minus 50. Oh God, I cannot believe it. This is this Shakti?
Yes.
Arey yaar.
Oh,
Shakti.
Oh
I
no.
Nice.
oh.
Shakti.
Nice.
Shakti is the one with Amitabh and Dilip Kumar together as father-son duo and has a cameo from Anil Kapoor.
ये cameo नहीं आता मुझे.
हाँ but Anil
Okay.
Kapoor, वो Amitabh Dilip Kumar good enough
हाँ.
for Shakti plus 50 to Sriti. Sriti, now you get to pick the next one.
चलो Jhakas 10.
Finish off Jhakas for 10. Of course, this quizzing category should start with this film where our man was the sleekest game show host you'll never trust. Film about chaiwalas, quiz show and destiny. Anirban.
Slumdog Millionaire.
Slumdog Millionaire, yes. Plus 10 to Anirban, Sriti and Vishal.
Love the question, how it's framed.
Thank you.
Very, very good question.
You. Okay, Anirban.
Self-portrait 40.
Self-portrait for 40. This 1986 work by the American artist known to be the leading figure in the pop art movement. Sriti.
Andy Warhol?
Andy Warhol, yes. Plus 40 to Sriti. It is Andy Warhol's self-portrait from 1986. Okay, Sriti.
Self-portrait 10.
Self-portrait for 10. Soft self-portrait with grilled bacon, a 1941 painting by this surrealist, embodies ambiguity with a structureless visage that melts over a pedestal. The iconic upturned mustache confirms its identity as a self-portrait. Anirban.
Dali.
Ali, that is correct. Plus 10 to Anirban. Siti and Vishal also buzzed. In that order, it is Salvador Dali. Okay, Anirban, 3 questions left.
Oh no. Indo lingo for 40.
Indo-Lingo for 40. Spoken in northern Uttarakhand in districts such as Pauri, Uttarkashi, Dehradun's hill areas. It's a central Pahadi Indo-Aryan language and counts notable personalities like India's most prominent mountaineer Bachendri Pal as its speaker. Vishal.
Is it Gadwali?
It is Gadwali. Well done. Great risk, great reward. Plus 40 to Vishal. It is Gadwali. Okay. Plus 40 to Vishal. Vishal, where do we go now? 2 questions left.
Indo-Lingo 50.
Finishing off Indo-Lingo. A Hindustani variety spoken largely across Hyderabad and other urban centers in Telangana, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. It developed in the southern sultanates and produced courtly works like Kitab-e-Norras under rulers such as Ibrahim Adil Shah II. Basically, the lingo spoken in Hyderabad, around Hyderabad. Should we close?
Yes.
Any guesses for fun?
Hyderabadi.
Muslim language.
Hyderabad.
Okay, they call it Dakhni or
Oh,
Deccan.
Dakni. Ha, ha, ha.
Dakhni or Deccan.
Deccan Plat.
Deccan Plateau.
Oh.
Dakhni, Dakhni.
And literature, of course, kitabeं हैं, Dakni kitabeं, they refer to always.
Dakhni. Okay, last question from Self-Portrait for 50, considered by many as the best self-portrait ever created. Self-Portrait with beret and turned up collar is a work by this Dutch master. Sriti.
Rembrandt?
Rembrandt. Yes, that is
Ooh.
plus 50 to
Wow.
Sriti. It is Rembrandt.
Oh my
Oh.
God.
Must.
This I never thought this will like ever happen to me कि
Oh my
Rembrandt का
God.
question आएगा.
तू हरा
Rembrandt.
तू हरा विशाल को हरा बस इतना
नहीं, I'm last.
Oh no, I don't think so.
There are
Oh
two
my.
minus 40s, brother.
Oh, oh. I think फिर भी तू आगे है शायद तो बहुत सारा 50-50 भी लिया है.
हाँ ये अरे एक ही कैटेगरी थोड़ी 5 हैं.
Oh
Oh God,
man.
this is quite
Stressful, huh?
fast. Yeah, it's very stressful.
Okay, I guess my scoring is right. Anirban, after the first round, is on 150 points.
Woo.
Okay, Sriti, after the first round, is on 180 points. Okay,
Wow.
close.
Wow.
150, 180. Yeah, because Sriti, you got plus 50, plus 40, plus 50 at the end with
Rembrandt.
Shakti, Rembrandt, and Warhol. So
Warhol.
140 there. And Vishal also on 150 points. This is, I think, the
Wow.
closest.
This is ridiculous, guys.
Oh my goodness.
I think
It's ridiculous.
I think this is the closest halftime score we've ever had on buzzing.
Wow,
Only there's one
crazy.
person who is very aage, one person is just starting. But
Yes.
150, 180, 150 is the most like equitable score ever
Oh
in the
God.
history of.
I cannot do another round.
Also,
on
I
this.
think least passes, no? Least passes.
Very few
Oh,
unanswered. I
yeah.
think Red Panda and Dakhni were the only 2 unanswered question in this round. And Little Red Book, 3 unanswered.
No,
But
Red Book, I got a negative. It's not an answer.
like that.
I hope
Shut
next round has a category called Central Kolkata, not even Kolkata.
Oh my God.
Yeah, my wife is from there.
Ah. You don't get just given the points for marrying Bengali.
It looks like Vishal has married me.
I have married another arch nemesis.
Oh man.
God.
But
Ah.
insane buzzing. All answers from Jaka, Scrambled Heads were fantastic. Superb stuff. I think we are ready for the
Ready.
second
Oh
round.
God, my heart.
I
Oh
think
man.
we are ready, guys. Let's go quickly. Round 2. Okay, round 2. The 5 categories are: the first category is called Ray Ratnam, Okay, every answer will either be a Satyajit Ray film or a Mani Ratnam film. Okay, second category is Amul ads 2024. These are all famous Amul ads from 2024. Okay, we've given the ads, we've just hidden a few words. I'll tell you क्या बताना है. Mostly the hidden words. And as you know, Amul ads are an homage to some
Hmm.
famous event that happened that year, and there is some wordplay. So try and figure out the wordplay. Third is a very straightforward category, 8-letter auto parts. These are all auto parts of 8 letters each. Fourth is double entendre, two hints for the same word. Two different kinds of hints, but the answer is the same word, so you just have to give me the word. Last, again, very classic, straightforward category, Indian cinema first. So these are some firsts in Indian cinema. So very standard first year, first for all of that. Okay. First category, Anirban or Vishal, any one of you can pick, whoever wants.
I
Vishal.
want Sriti to pick.
What?
Okay, Sriti, go for it.
Chalo. Ray Ratnam 30.
Okay, Ray Ratnam for 30. Loosely inspired by an Indian tycoon's life and starring a real life couple, this 2007 film is about ambition, controversy, and big business. Anirban,
Guru.
Guru, that is correct. Plus 30 to Anirban. Vishal and Sriti also buzzed in that order. Guru, okay. Anirban, where do we go?
Ray Ratnam 40.
Ray Ratnam for 40. Three young men, one incident on Howrah Bridge, and three intertwining destinies. Starring Devgan, Oberoi Bachchan, or was it Surya, Siddharth, and Madhavan? Anirban.
Yuva.
Yuva, that is correct. Anirban, we gave you a Calcutta question.
Oh, thank you, thank you,
Oh!
So the whole category is Calcutta.
Anirban gets plus 40. Sriti also buzzed. Anirban was faster. We would have accepted either they also, Yuva or either. Okay, Anirban.
Okay, double entendre 30.
Okay, double on 30. In school, you got nightmares memorizing it all the way till 20. And in furniture, you eat at it. Anirban.
Table.
Table. That's
Nice. Good question. Love it.
Yes. Table plus 30. Vishal and Sriti also buzzed in that order. Anirban was faster. Table. Okay, Anirban.
Double entendre for 40.
Okay, double entendre for 40. In finance, it's currency. In music, it's what musicians turn into magic. Anirban.
Note.
Wow, superb
Oh.
crack. Sriti also buzzed. Anirban was faster, plus 40. For notes in finance, it's currency and currency notes, and notes in musical notes. Okay, Anirban, where do we go now?
Indian cinema first for 30.
Indian cinema first for 30. This 1987 black comedy was the first of its kind with only visuals and background score, but no dialogues. Vishal.
Arey yaar, how have I've just forgotten.
I'll just guess Alamara.
87.
Yeah,
Minus
that
30.
is what
Arey
that was
yaar.
27. I'm just 60 years later.
Yaar,
Minus 30 to Vishal. Oh, Sriti has also buzzed.
Pushpak?
Pushpak, yes.
पुष्पक यार,
That is
पुष्पक
correct.
यार, मेरे को पुष्कर याद आ रहा था.
बोलना चाहिए था ना.
नहीं
Minus होता था.
अरे नहीं भाई.
जब I said Vishal और Vishal चुप था, तो I thought that is also a type of
कि it's a joke.
It's a joke.
विशाल नया was Kamal Hassan.
Okay, this is Pushpak starring Kamal Hassan. Minus 30 to Vishal, plus 30 to Sriti. We come back to the board. Sriti, now you get to pick.
Indian film first, 20.
Indian film first for 20. This 1984 Malayalam Pathbreaker, later remade in Hindi with Urmila Matondkar, was the first Indian 3D movie. Vishal.
Oh God, is it Rangila?
Not Rangila. Minus 20 to
Nice,
Vishal.
nice. Oh, very
And
nice.
Sriti. Sriti, you also buzzed.
Chota Chetan.
Chota Chetan. Yes, Chota Chetan is the answer we were looking for. Chota Chetan.
Sriti, just buzz faster. I will not get negatives.
Never thought I'll get to hear this. Please buzz faster than me.
Stop me from this.
It's like single mat le bhai, tu mujhe mat de strike. Oh my God. Yes, it is Chota
Nice.
Chetan. My Dear Kuti Chata was the original Chota Chetan. Okay, back to Sriti.
Indian film first, 40. This is
Okay,
ridiculous.
Indian cinema first for 40. This 2001 Tamil film was the first Indian film to use motion picture animation and CGI for live action hallucination sequences, famously inspiring Kill Bill in subsequent years. Okay.
Inspiring Kill Bill.
Yes.
Ma-
So I will obviously accept Hindi version name also, Tamil version name also, whatever you can think of. And big hint is there is an animated sequence in the film which, according to Tarantino, inspired the animated sequence in Kill Bill, the whole Japan part, mein jab he shows. So 2001 film, Hindi name also acceptable, Tamil name also acceptable. Okay, we'll give 3 more seconds and close. Do you want more time? Should we close? Close.
Close,
Okay.
close.
We'll close this. Anybody wants to guess for fun?
2001.
Some
Okay.
Is it
Rajnikant
that
movie.
film with Shamita Shetty के बीच में animation होने लगता है कुछ तो? It's a very
नहीं
bad
नहीं
film,
नहीं
but
No. The film is called Abhay, starring
अब
Kamal Hassan. Abhay,
oh,
Kamal Hassan, and Abhay, or obviously Alavan also. Okay. Abhay, no stress. Minus no points to anyone. Control still with Sriti.
good job, Vishal. Proud of you. Control still with me. अच्छा, Ray Ratnam 20.
Okay. Ray Ratnam for 20. Two Nawabs in Awadh so addicted to a game that they miss the small matter of the British annexing their kingdom. Ray's only full-length Hindi feature with Saeed Jafri and Amjad Khan sharing the board. Anirban,
शतरंज के खिलाड़ी.
शतरंज के खिलाड़ी.
Got
Yes.
one sports question.
Plus 20 to Anirban.
Yeah. छोटी छोटी खुशियां.
Sports and Ray.
Only after
Okay, Priti and
we
Vishal also
started.
buzzed in order. Say,
Only
say.
only after we started playing chess in the lockdown did I
हाँ.
understand the premise of this film. कि actually मैं भूल सकता है कि हमारा country जा रहा है. It's so addictive.
Oh man. Oh man. Okay, Anirban, where do we go?
Right,
Okay.
double on
20.
20 for 20.
Okay, double entendre for 20. On the road, it's an Enfield motorcycle. In films, it's what every villain is trying to dodge. Vishal,
Bullet.
bullet. That is correct. Plus 20 to Vishal, Sriti and Anirban also buzzed in that order. It is bullet. Okay, Vishal.
Double entendre 50.
Okay, double entendre 50. In pandemic, this was protection. In cinema, it's Jim Carrey's green alter ego. Vishal.
Mask.
Mask. That
Oh.
is correct. Sriti was waiting right behind Vishal with that buzz, but Vishal got it right with mask. Plus 50, Anirban also buzzed. That was the order. Mask. Okay, Vishal.
Double 10.
Double 10. Let's finish the category. In history, it's land tax. In cinema, it's Amir Khan's Oscar-nominated cricket epic. Vishal.
Lagan.
Lagan. Another sports
Well
question. 10 points to Vishal. Anirban and Sriti also buzzed in that order. Okay. Which category now, Vishal?
Amul adds 30.
Okay. Amul adds 30. Just looking for the blank. One word answer. Okay.
Oh, I forgot. This has happened. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Vishal.
This is KL Rahul. Rahul tweet.
Rahul tweet. No. Minus 30 to Vishal. Minus 30. We'll quickly wait for Anirban and
Oh,
Sriti.
sports question.
Sports
Okay,
plus
okay.
fun.
Shit. Oh, yeah.
Ah,
Oh, damn. I can't buzz
no,
again.
yeah. We'll close this. Vishal was on very good track. Dash to eat, but dash to eat also had to make sense. Vishal, do you want to guess
Yeah.
now?
Ready
Oh,
to
yes,
Ready
yes.
to eat.
Oh, shit. I buzzed. Okay,
No,
okay. Sorry,
wait.
sorry.
Ready to eat. Okay,
Uh,
Bahubali another reference.
uh, uh,
Bahubali
uh.
is Telugu, and pun also makes sense. Ready to eat. This was Nitish Reddy's century in Melbourne. Ready to eat. Okay, nobody got this, which means control still with me.
Once again, KL Rahul has lost me.
30 points. ए minus 30 हुआ है इसको.
माइनस
इसको बीमारी थोड़ी हुई है,
नहीं नहीं, मतलब मैं बता रहा
इसको
हूँ,
कोविड हुआ है।
मिस नहीं करना
माइनस
चाहिए
30 बस।
क्या हुआ तेरे को? अरे मत पूछ यार, -30 हो गया।
-30 मैं नहीं आ पाऊंगा पार्टी में।
मेरा -30 चल रहा
-30 चल रहा है भाई। ठीक है, ध्यान दे, यहाँ ध्यान दे।
है।
ओके विशाल।
Okay, Amul 40.
Okay, Amul for 40. Two blanks are there, okay? So try and figure out the wordplay. Adar invests dash with dash. Okay, Amul having ceramic dish. So this event I'm sure you know, but try and crack the wordplay. It's beautiful. Dash with dash. Vishal.
Other invests. Uh,
No,
oh
minus.
God, Dharma with Johar.
Dharma
No.
with Jawar, no, -40 to Vishal. Oh, Thriti has buzzed.
Oh God, why did I buzz? Okay. Uh, Aadhar invests butter with Karan, coffee
No.
with Karan. No, no.
I'll give you a chance to. You're almost there. So just try and see if you can improve the wordplay a little bit. You're almost
Okay.
there. That's why I'm giving
Yes.
you a chance. Vishal was not there at all. You said
Uh,
Adar invests coffee with
dash
Karan. See, little
dash
bit.
with Karan.
If you can just slightly change something, Adar invests coffee with Karan. Coffee.
Okay, I give up. I give up.
Okay.
Uh,
So should we give negative for that?
Uh,
We'll check after the answer. We can decide together.
shall I guess?
Anirban is waiting. Anirban hasn't buzzed. Okay. Anybody wants to guess for fun?
COVID with Karan?
No.
No.
Other invests coffee with Karan. He put in a lot of money. So
Coffee.
Other invests.
Oh, nice, nice, nice.
Okay.
Oh.
Other invests coffee with Karan.
Okay,
Coffee.
okay.
Okay. So
-40.
-40, no? Okay. Fair. -40 to Sriti. Sriti got a chance to improve.
हाँ,
So yeah, -40.
ए, -40 टू विशाल ऑल्सो।
हाँ, विशाल का तो लिख दिया था
हाँ
मैंने।
हाँ,
विशाल
ओके
तो
मेरा
विशाल का तो डाउट ही नहीं था। इसका कॉपी विद करण, आई वाज लाइक शुड इट
हाँ.
ओके कूल। सो कंट्रोल स्टिल विद विशाल।
I'll still buzz. Amul 50.
Amul 50. Two-word answer we are looking for. Okay, two-word answer that fits the caption. Have a look at the ad. What two-word do you think fits this caption? Dash a snack? Sriti.
Fix you.
Oh, beautiful crack. Yes.
ओह नाइस
Oh.
नाइस।
Beautiful crack. Fans left in the cold. Coldplay reference. Fix you a snack. Beautiful. Okay. +50 to Sriti and Sriti. Where do
How
we
is
go
this
now?
happening?
ओह मैन।
Fix you a snack. Okay.
Ray Ratnam 10.
Ray Ratnam 10. Okay. It cost just about 70,000 rupees to make, but went on to win a prize at Cannes and put Indian cinema on the world map. A 1955 classic, Ray's debut. Vishal.
Oh God. Is it
Oh
Pather
God, I'm not.
Panchali?
Yes.
It is Pather Panchali.
अरे यार।
+10 to Vishal.
अरे
Anirban
यार
was
क्या
waiting.
माइनस कर रहा हूँ मैं इतना? You don't get to be disappointed.
अरे यार, ये करना था मेरे को। Shit.
Yeah. Patir Panchali is for Anirban what Maithili was for Sriti.
I didn't. हाँ मैं हाँ of course.
I got both those, so आधा points doubling.
और जब मैं बोल रही थी ना रे रत्नम 10, आई न्यू कि ये ट्रिलॉजी में से एक तो होगा ही, तीनों में से एक ही होगा.
Correct. Vishal gets +10 for Pathir Panchali and Nirban and Sriti also buzzed in that order. Vishal, where do we go now?
Let's go to ads 20.
Okay, Amul adds for 20. Tell me the blank here. Vishal.
Oh, Muska.
Musk.
अरे यार।
Muska. Nicely spotted. +20 to Vishal. Anirban also.
Good one, good one.
मुझे
Very good.
मस्का दोगे? So reference to Doge and the Department of
Damn, these
Efficiency
are
and all
really
that.
bad puns.
That coffee with Karan, can you imagine? Shameful to get -40 for that. Because I make bad puns. I make terrible bad puns. And not getting coffee with Karan is just ridiculous.
Okay, Vishal, where do we go now?
Let's go ads 10.
Let's finish ad. Just need the top blank. पूरे वतन का dash. Anirban.
Ratan.
रतन. पूरे वतन का रतन plus
Oh, damn, that Tata also wouldn't have made sense, no?
yeah, yeah.
पूरे वतन का टाटा.
पूरे वतन का पूरे वतन का रतन.
That was the rejected ad. Tata.
Yeah, पूरे.
Vishal and Sriti also burst in that order. Plus 10 to Anirban. Okay. पूरे वतन का रतन was Anirban. So Anirban, where do we go?
Indian cinema first for 10.
Okay, Indian cinema first for 10. Apart from being a classic, this Hindi movie also created history by becoming the first Indian movie to be nominated for an Academy Award in the foreign language film category. Vishal.
The first, no, Bandit Queen.
No, no. No,
Versus
minus 10 to Vishal. Anirban?
Oh no. Salam Bombay.
No.
अरे
That
यार.
Salam Bombay was the second, if that helps. Sriti?
अरे यार
I
ये
know
recent-
this now.
No.
wait,
Minus
okay,
10 to
okay.
Sriti also, sorry. Yes, Anirban, want to guess for fun?
Mother India.
Mother India. Yes.
Mother
अरे
India.
यार. अरे यार.
No, I wasn't
Mother
guessing
India.
Mother India.
Mother India
Okay,
was the
okay,
first
okay,
Indian film to win. Mother India, Salam Bombay, and Lagan are the three films.
okay.
Okay. So we are done with Double Entendre, done with Amul ads. Where do we go, Vishal? Sorry, kiska hai? Anirban only, no? Where do we go, Anirban?
Oh no. Indian cinema first for 50.
Finishing off Indian cinema first. Puneet Monga described it as tonight is historic, as this is the first ever Oscar for an Indian production. India's
Yeah, I
story
mean-
with two women. In 2023, this became the first Indian film to win an Oscar in the Best Documentary Short category.
The
Vishal?
Elephant Whispers.
I'll give it to Elephant Whisperers.
Whispers,
But that was
Whisperers.
Elephant Whisperers, close enough. Anuman also burst, was waiting. The Elephant Whisperers.
Very good, very good.
Plus 50 to Vishal. Okay, Vishal, where do we go now?
Ray Ratnam.
Finishing off.
इसके बाद सब हम लोग जूम छोड़ के चले जाते हैं.
Finishing off Ray Ratnam for 50. A little girl with a severe illness transforms the lives of her middle class Chennai family. This 1990 film is remembered for Ilayaraja's music and tear ducts that refuse to close in theaters. Sriti.
Anjali?
Anjali. Yes, that is correct.
Oh, damn, बच गया मैं. Thank you.
Oh shit यार. Oh shit.
और
Yes.
लेट बजाना चाहिए था.
Vishal also was. But Sriti
I
was
was
faster.
going to say Sadma.
अरे यार.
Okay, Anjali is correct. Okay, one category. Finally gone.
I wonder which category. Let's go. Let's do this a legit way. 8-letter auto parts 50.
Oh wow. Okay.
Oh,
8 letter
no.
auto for 50. This part is always behind your car, and sometimes the reason the car behind you honks also rhymes with fail gripe. Vishal.
Windpipe.
Not windpipe.
Nice.
Not windpipe. Not windpipe.
Damn, why-
Quickly wait for 5 seconds.
Oh no.
Okay, no tailpipe, not windpipe.
Tailpipe.
Okay.
Oh,
Tailpipe.
nice, 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 nice.
Nirvan is the guy at the back honking. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Minus 50 to Vishal. Control still with Sriti.
8-letter auto parts 10.
8-letter auto parts for 10. Without this, you're basically on a straight path to disaster. It's what allows one to make all the right turns and also the left. Vishal.
GPS.
Not
Oh, it's auto parts or wheel. Damn.
No, no. Minus 10 to Vishal, not GPS. Sriti.
The steering wheel?
Hmm? Just the steering, not just
Steering.
steering.
Huh, steering,
So
steering.
just the steering, yeah.
That,
Steering.
that's how much I know about cars, guys.
Oh no.
Just saying.
Nirvan also burst was waiting.
Worse.
Steering. Okay, steering is
Steering.
8-letter auto parts. Okay, Sriti.
Oh, 8 letter था वो मैं भूल ही गया इतने
हाँ,
टाइम से.
Oh, वो तो मैं consider ही नहीं कर रही.
तो तभी तो Steering. 8 letter
Ah,
steering wheel. That's why
okay,
GPS
okay.
steering wheel. Just 8 letter. Huh.
Oh
8-letter auto parts, 20.
8 letter auto parts for 20. This part always shows you where you've been, not where you're going. For some drivers, it's for checking traffic. For others, it's for checking hair. Anirban.
Rear view mirror.
Yes. Rear view is the 8 letter car part, auto part. Rear view, where you can see at the back and check your hair also. Anirban burst fastest. Sriti was right behind Anirban. Okay, two more questions left, Anirban.
8-letter auto parts, 40.
Okay, 8 letter auto part for 40. It's where the fuel and air go boom. Count how many you've got to brag about your engine. Okay, one of those things people brag. Oh, Vishal.
Oh God. It's where the fuel and air count how many mileage.
No, minus 42 Vishal for this. Anirban is also burst. Anirban?
Cylinder.
Cylinder, yes.
Oh.
Plus 40 to Anirban. This is cylinder, is where the fuel and air go, and you brag how many cylinders. Plus 40. Last question is 8 letter auto parts for 30 for everyone. Keeps the engine cool, not your temper in traffic jams. Without it, overheating is guaranteed. Sriti.
Mega, let me not count. Is it engine oil?
No, 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 no.
Oh, I know.
No, no,
Will I
no,
get?
no, no,
Oh, I
not engine
know.
oil.
Oh
Minus
God.
30 to Sriti.
I
Quickly.
will guess for fun na later if
Ah,
they don't answer.
yeah. Quickly checking with Anirban and Vishal.
Keeps the engine cool. No.
Okay, no stress. Anybody wants to guess for fun?
Is it
Water.
coolant?
Coolant is good guess.
7. मैं सोच रहा था कूलेंट्स बोलूं ताकि 8
7
letter.
It is radiator. Okay.
अरे
Radiator.
radiator.
मैंने सोचा इंजन ऑयल वाला जोक भी होगा ना राहुल द्रविड़ वाला फिर.
Correct.
Oh
But it's
man.
not the part.
Insane.
Oh God.
थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे on auto parts. Double entendre was cracked beautifully. Amul had some great crack from Fix You to Musk. Ray Ratnam superbly done, and Indian cinema first also fantastic. Okay, time to check the scores.
You
Oh,
got
man.
so much sports and Calcutta and whatnot.
Yes, I don't mind. I don't
Yeah,
mind actually.
so
मेरे को
many
लगा और भी
sports
खराब होएगा.
movies.
हाँ.
But my favorite category was auto parts. Best. Finished quickly.
Okay, guys, the scores are here. Let's start with
Hmm.
Anirban. Anirban, in the first round, you had 150. In second round, Anirban, you got 220.
Okay.
Which means, Anirban, you end on 370.
70.
370 points.
Nice.
Amazing. 370. Triti had 180 in the first round, and she got 80 in the second round.
Not
80,
bad.
80,
Not bad.
which means Triti ends on 260. 260. Okay, Vishal, you had 150 in the first.
इसके तो इतना volatile. It was just minus plus.
And you got minus 70 in the second round.
What?
Legendary. Finally.
Vishal ends on 80 points.
How
Oh,
did
man.
this happen?
Oh, man. So Vishal did get 250s in second half with, I think, Mask and Elephant Whisperer. But he got a minus 40. He got two minus 40s. He got another minus 50, minus 30, minus 20. So lots of negative. Basically, first round के बाद इतना close चल रहा था, Vishal didn't like that. Like,
Yeah.
not a big fan of socialism and communism.
Virender Sehwag second innings score.
Yes. Fantastic stuff. Thank you so much, guys. Congrats, Anirban. You have won this
Congratulations. Yes. Congratulations.
Upset, massive upset.
I am
Finally.
And Sriti, what a great debut.
Thank you,
Please, come more
guys.
often.
What fun. Oh, I
And
love
Vishal,
it.
Super.
crazy stuff. I think I've always said this. Our audience loves this kind of play where people take risks and go for it. So
Yes.
you are definitely the popular choice award for this episode.
Yes, lovely.
Nice.
Okay. Crazy. Crazy guys. Thank you, Arman. Thank you,
Crazy.
Priti. Thank you, Vishal. Thank you, audience, for
Thank
watching it.
you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank
Crazy.
you, thank you.
Bye.
Bye, bye.
Bye. Bye.